Another brand we have within the House of Rohl portfolio is Rohl. It is going to be one of the most known plumbing luxury brands in the market that goes from bathroom to kitchen. We really aim to give every faucet and fixture to have its own story. For example, we have the Tenerife right here in our beautiful antique gold finish. We got our inspiration from the Canary Islands. Right here from the crisscross design, it's supposed to remind you of the palm trees. So you can really envision yourself in your bathroom in a calm state of mind like you are on an island. Another great faucet we have within House of Rohl is the Eclissi. That means eclipse, and you can kind of see the way they mimic what an eclipse would look like, and you get a variety of dual finish options, which isn't common within the plumbing bathroom community. The Eclissi Collection also has a matching shower system, so you can complement your beautiful faucet right here with your Eclissi knob, hand shower, rain head, or however you do want to complement your shower system. You don't have to sacrifice any of that design inspiration. It's really going to be streamlined from everywhere in your bathroom, so you don't have to worry about any kind of compromise. And if you really want to experience more of the Rohl brand and what makes us so special, please stop by a Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in either Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.